Hey YouTube, I'm Jason. That's Jeremy. What's up? Today we've got a 2015 Jeep Compass in the shop, getting the alternator upgraded along with two massive XS Power batteries. Before we can get loud like, we've got to get the stock alternator out. Really made this to not come out. They said, nope. So now that that's out of the way, now we can get to the alternator.
6.5 hours later.
Oh, look at this guy.
He needs to go in like this. Yeah, let's compare them real quick.
Oh, I'm tripping. There ain't no difference, right?
Yeah, no, they're the same.
It's
Fucking dead nuts. This one just has a little cap over the regulator, whereas they didn't put one on that, but that shouldn't matter.
yeah, that one he pulled out was a rematch.
Hey, are we putting a different battery up here?
No.
Are you running a different battery in the back?
Yeah.
You can't mix these batteries.
Can't mistake him.
Alright, so quick change of plans. I'm not putting a battery up front in this thing.
I think there's just a super speaker right back here. I think that's what they did.
What speaker is that?
The new ones. That Sky I just released. Yeah, it looks fucking lovely. Should we go in the back?
Yeah.
Yep. So we're gonna see how this fits. If it works. It's probably the coolest thing on this whole fucking Jeep.
I think so.
That shit sounds fucking good.
We've got one 4-channel, 4,000 watt Timpano amp for the mids and highs, and one 3,000 watt amp for the sub. Now that the wire is ran to the rear, the fun can begin, wiring up both massive batteries and connect the amps.
Pretty sure this is the third system these batteries are going.
Jesus. It's getting passed around from all the homies. Such big girls get so much attention.
Did something right. Start it up.
No battery light. Nice. Flip the second switch down there. Nice.
Hey, still doing drive-bys, but I wanna walk 'em. If I can't find them, you know I'm gonna stalk 'em. Caution tape up on the seat.
Then we can get the box in so we can start moving some air. Not that much air. Everyone, side note, if you haven't heard of Timpano, Sundown, or Sky High Car Audio, I definitely recommend you do so. I'll put some of the links in the description down below.
You making some of those up?
Nope, they're all real. Probably worth the Google.
Tall ass shit. Attitude on some fuck you too. Thing.
But as I'm editing this video, I received this.